It's a single leg bounce. So you're gonna lift one foot slightly off the mat and stay light on that other leg. Now, if you need assistance with this, hold on to the rail. Keep it nice and controlled here. This is great for improving your balance and stability, which is key as we get older. So after 30 seconds, switch legs and make sure you're staying tall, keeping your core engaged, and keep breathing. You don't need to rush this. Just stay steady and stay in control. Again, this is where you're building your strength and your confidence.
If you want to see real results in the gym, it's time to stop doing random workouts and start following a structured plan. Try my workout app free for 7 days.